Or why is your SEO writing team is not efficient as it has to be? Because we are living in a 2026, and if you're not using AI SEO writing tool like our wall, then you're losing. So I make videos about SEO, and you can watch all the videos right here. By the way, I made a bunch of videos on how to do organic SEO, how to do paid traffic, paid SEO, and how to grow your blogging sites and domains by just writing articles using AI. So since 2025, I was using AI like ChatGPT and Claude to write an article, but now all the tools are especially trying to write articles, so I can go here and just give a one keyword like sell land in Florida, and I don't even have to enter the title. It's just gonna produce an entire article for me. So you can see I've been writing many articles for my domain, which is a makemoneyroger.com, and for even my clients. Now I have even clients, so I simply go into the blog automation. I simply click on new campaign or run a campaign. That's it. It's just gonna be automated. So if I show you how many articles I'm producing per day for my clients, so if I go into the settings, I'm sorry, go into the configuration, and you can see I can generate an article every single day, every 12 hours, every 6 hour, every hour. That's a 24 articles per day, every month or every week or every 2 days. And we have the randomness and also how many articles at a time should be published into the client's website. So this is how you win in 2026. Not and it is not efficient to have SEO writing team in 2026. If you're not using AI, then you're missing out a lot. So the link will be in the description. Make sure you check that out. I hope it will help you be very efficient.